It's in the weeds, you'd say, yeah. Brandon Miller, LS Fest 2017. Well, it's just a stock 5.3. Car originally had a 283. Huge step up, power, performance, reliable car, you know. We really like it. Got an AccuAir air ride system on it. Just finished it a couple weeks ago. Really rides nice.
They don't make them like this, you know?
No, that's a lot of car. My wife Ashley, it's actually her car.
I'm a high school teacher. Yeah, I took it to school Thursday, and now I'm the favorite teacher of a few of my students. So.
Yeah, we've had some of the younger people try to get in the car. They can't figure out how to open the door handle. You know, they're not used to the old, technology. No, actually, we bought the car about 3 years ago, 2014. Car come out of Ohio. It was pretty much a stock original repaint. It had some interior work done to it, but other than that, it was pretty much stock. We did the engine swap, the suspension, the billet wheels, all the cool stuff to it. Yeah, had very little trouble. We hooked it up. Figured we'd have a little issue getting it started, but man, it started right up, purred like a kitten. We was down the road in just a few minutes, It was great.
What are your future plans for it?
I'm thinking turbo, possibly supercharger, but she said the teacher don't need that kind of power, so we might just do some upgraded gauges or something for now, who knows.